Welcome to the Strategies to Embrace Living with Lupus Fearlessly, or SELF, program. SELF was developed by the Lupus Foundation of America using information gathered from experts, insights from people who have lupus, and best practices in behavior change science. SELF is designed for all people with lupus, whether they've been recently diagnosed or have been living with lupus for quite some time. It meets users wherever they are in their lupus journey. And it's free, convenient, and easy to use. SELF begins by asking users questions about their experiences with their lupus and focuses on 4 key self-management skills: managing symptoms, managing stress, managing medications, and working with a healthcare team. Based on answers to these questions, SELF provides users with a personalized self-management plan that is tailored to their needs. Users choose which of the 4 key self-management areas they want to focus on for the next 2 weeks. Users will have the opportunity to change their focus every 2 weeks. And over time, SELF will dynamically update their self-management plan as each user's journey unfolds. Based on this choice and answers to the questions, SELF builds a customized activity center for the user. To highlight the features SELF has to offer, the first few times a user logs into their activity center, SELF will show them a series of tips showcasing the location of popular tools and activities. Users have access to information on all 4 self-management areas at any time in the Information Center. This allows the users to find credible information whenever they need it, and to work at their own pace so they don't get overwhelmed. One of the key features of SELF is the Symptom Tracker, which is available under the My Tools menu. The Symptom Tracker gives users a list of common lupus symptoms to choose from, as well as spaces where they can enter their own symptoms. Once a user chooses the symptoms they want to track, they rate the symptom on a typical rating scale. Then their data over time are shown graphically. This graph shows a user's ratings over a 2-week period, but users can also toggle back to a previous point in time. The tracker can help people with lupus discover patterns in their symptoms and share those patterns with their healthcare team. Also available under My Tools are links to LFA resources, including links to finding a support group, contacting a health education specialist, and a link to the National Resource Center on Lupus. Users can also opt in to receive motivational text message tips, which are tailored to the skill a user has chosen to work on. The number of messages a user receives depends on their answers, but there won't be more than 1 in a day. Lupus is unpredictable. SELF is here to help manage that unpredictability.